Real facts that sound fake. Part 3. A pope once put a dead man on trial. In the year 897, Pope Stephen VI ordered the body of a former pope to be exhumed. The corpse had been buried for months. They dressed the body in papal robes, sat it on a throne, and held a full courtroom trial. A deacon was forced to speak for the corpse. The dead pope was found guilty. His fingers were cut off, his titles were stripped away, and his body was thrown into the river. Some historians believe it was political revenge. Others think Stephen was trying to erase his rival's legacy. Some even suggest the pope was mentally unstable. Not long after, Pope Stephen was overthrown. He was imprisoned, and he was strangled to death.